What is going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, I want to talk about Ignite's Finance. They actually sponsored today's episode. I want to do an in-depth review of their company, basically what they offer, things about them, their token, their pre-sale, and their roadmap into the future. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as this does help support the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump right into today's episode. All right, guys, so as you can see on the screen, I do have Ignite's Finance pulled up. I did link them in the description down below. It's ignites.finance. That's as simple as that. Basically, you can see I do have their webpage pulled up, and I do have a few things I want to discuss with you guys about them. So a lot of you guys might have questions as to what is it, what do they offer, things like that. As you can see, it gets broken down into Ignite Pro, Ignite 20, and Ignite Master. And their website is very easy to understand and figure out. You can clearly see where their pre-sale starts. It starts in 9 days, and they do offer a token. It's called the Ignite Pro token. And you can see it's actually an ERC20, which is great. For those of you that don't know what ERC20 is, ERC20 is basically a way for you guys to send and move cryptocurrency with the USDT token, and there's actually literally no fees. I use ERC20 to actually move money around and pay people and people pay me, and this basically because there's no fee involved, and that's the great thing about it. So you can see their symbol will be IGT Pro. The token price will be 47 cents, and you can see the token sale is for 2.5 million with a total supply of 6 million, which is fairly low if you actually ask me. You can see that 90% of the pre-sale money goes to the Uniswap liquidity in 4 phases, and 10% goes to the team for development, research, just creating a better token and community. And that's another thing too. They have a pretty big community that I want to go into specifics about. So there's just a little more information. You can contribute 5 Ethereum or more to get a free Ignite Master node worth 4,000. It's a fair pre-sale, no pre-sale stages, same price until hard cap is reached. So basically, to talk about exactly what it is Ignites is an ecosystem of multi-chain DeFi products that brings effortless and innovative ways to earn crypto all at one place with a maximum API. Ignites empowers you to have control over your assets and continuously earn passive income with an innovative and user-friendly confidence. So it's a pretty cool thing. You can see what it gets broken into. The IGT Pro is a native token of Ignite's protocol, which is the ERC20 token and can be used for staking and paying for services on the platform. Then IGT20, which is also an ERC20 token, represents Ethereum staking deposits and is used in Ethereum 2.0 staking pools. So as you can see, it's more than just another DeFi platform for multi-earning. As I scroll down, you can see the deflationary price in the staking. So it says to earn staking rewards, the longer you stake, the more interest you earn. And you can see how it gets broken down right here. Then moving down, we have the IGT20 Ethereum 2.0 staking, basically talking about how it works. All you do is deposit the amount of Ethereum you would like to stake and instantly receive their token, IGT20, which represents a tokenized staking deposit. So as you guys know, with pre-sales and ICOs that come to launch, there's obviously risk involved. The token may not reach the price that was guaranteed or the price you may think, just like investing in penny stocks in the stock market and things like that. So everything has risks, and that's a warning to everybody getting involved into different sorts of ICOs and pre-sales that are invested. But do your due diligence, do your research. This is my way of just showing you guys other companies that are out there and their different ICO launches. We don't really talk about too many of them here on the channel, so definitely make sure to check it out. And I did link some other things in the description down below. They may help you better understand Ignite's Finance. So obviously they also have the Ignite Master proof of stake blockchain. It's basically the cryptocurrency forked from Dash, but completely proof of stake system as opposed to Dash's proof of work system. Ignite Master have built to make it easier for users to deploy the master node, completely decentralized without any technical knowledge. And a lot of this stuff that I'm talking about probably is a little more advanced than some of you guys that are in the beginner stages of cryptocurrency. So this is really more for the professional people people that have been in cryptocurrency a little bit longer than, a couple of months or just recently here on the channel. So definitely make sure to check them out again. So obviously you can see the specs, the proof of stake, the pre-mine, the hashing algorithm, things of that nature. It seems to be very transparent. What's cool is they also offer an app that's pretty awesome. So you can see you can secure the app to monitor and manage your portfolio. Their token is what you'll be seeing on the coin, as well as the other proof of stakes, which is pretty awesome. And then lastly, to show you guys their roadmap, and then I'll show you the team, you can see kind of their ideas as they move into the end of 2020 and then into, which is right now, and then into the early 2021. So you could see they came up with the idea of the coin. They created social media creations. They have a pretty big Twitter too, which I want to show you guys in a minute. Then they have the Ignite Pro launch, which is coming very soon. You can see that's the next thing in 9 days. The staking function on IGT20, or it's actually coming a little bit later than that. And then they have, obviously, their tier 2, the exchange listing, which would be pretty cool to see them actually listed on exchanges. And then a community vote on lending and borrowing, buyback in tier 1. So it's pretty interesting. Here's their roadmap, their plan into 2020, 2021. So definitely make sure if you have any questions, link them down below. I'm sure their team will be watching the video and checking out your guys' comments if you have any questions, and I'm sure they're going to respond to you. Lastly, this is their team: Dennis Haynes, Martin Lovett, Bianca Jones, David Roberts, and Cassie Ward. This shows who they are and what their positions are within the team. And lastly, before we wrap up today's episode, I do just want to show you guys their Telegram and Twitter. So you can see I do have Telegram pulled up right here. And to my surprise, they actually have a very big Telegram following with over 2,600 members in a fairly active community with over 320 people online right now as I make this video. It's definitely cool. And if you were interested or just a little confused or curious about their company, you could definitely join their Telegram. It's free. You can check it out and see what everybody's talking about, the hype, the pre-sale launch, and things like that. And then lastly, to wrap up today's episode, I do want to show you guys their Twitter, which is also pretty crazy. To only be following 8 people and to have over 3,600 followers means there's something here. So it's definitely interesting, and I definitely recommend checking it out. As you can see, where they talk about their pre-sale and things like that, they definitely try to hype up the community and talk about what exactly is going on in their system. Otherwise, definitely make sure to check them out. I did link them in the description down below. Huge shout out to Ignites Finance for sponsoring today's video. Otherwise, make sure to follow me on Twitter, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace.